Okay guys, I'm going to rave about this next one, the 3D HD Makeup Blender. Hey everyone, it's Mahima here and I'm so excited to share this special video with you all. It's my birthday week. Yes, my birthday was on June 24th and I went all out this year. I treated myself to a bunch of luxury makeup products because why not? And I can't wait to share them all with you. Thank you so much for all the love on my huge birthday haul video. It means a lot to me. If you haven't checked out that video yet, be sure to check that out. Let's get started. I want to show you my new favorite brush, the Sigma E60 Large Shader. So this brush is specifically designed for applying eye color. The flat head and beveled edges make it perfect for getting into the corners of your eyes and applying cream formulas, primers, loose shadows. Okay guys, next up is the Sigma E40 Max Tapered Blending Eye Brush. This one's a total winner for getting that perfect seamless blend. It's specifically designed for blending colored eyeshadow on your lids, and the tapered shape makes it so easy to get into the corners and creases. Plus the fibers are gentle on your skin and resistant to corrosion, so it's durable and long lasting as well. And let's not forget, it's cruelty free and easy to clean. This brush is a must have for anyone who wants a flawless professional looking finish. Next up, I want to share with you my new favorite eye makeup brushes and I'm so excited. But first, let me show you the Sigma F15 Duo Fiber Powder or Blush Brush. This one's a game changer for powder and blush application. The Duo Fiber blend and deep beveled edges make it so easy to get a soft, nice, diffused look even if you are a total beginner. It's like a little helper that makes your job so much easier. Next is the Sigma F10 Powder Blush Brush. Now I know what you're thinking. Didn't I just show you a blush brush? Yes, I did, but this one's a bit different. The F10 has a slightly different design and build, which allows for even more precise placement of blush. It's so soft and gentle, and it's perfect for powder application too. This brush is all about precision and control, and I love it for getting that nice, perfect flush of color exactly where I want it. Next up, I have the Clara Cosmetics Color Me Double-Ended Professional Brush. This brush is a total game changer for those days when you are in a rush and you don't have time to grab a bunch of different tools. The double-ended design means you can use one end for blush and bronze and the other end for pressed powder. It's like a multitasking superhero. I love that I can use this one brush to get a complete look. It's a total must-have. Let me know if you have tried this brush. Okay guys, I'm going to rave about this next one, the 3D HD Makeup Blender. I mean, where do I even start? This blender is hands down the best I have ever used and I can't stop singing its praises. The unique shape is unlike anything else out there and it provides the most flawless application ever. It's so versatile. You can use it to blend, prime, conceal, sculpt. The list just goes on. It's inspired by their best-selling 3D HD brushes and you can tell. It is Sigma's beauty blender. The way it fits into every contour of your face, the seamless coverage, it's just amazing. I can't recommend it enough. Next up, I have the F37 Spotlight Duster Brush. I mean, I can't get enough of that glow, and my go-to request for my makeup artist is always more highlighter, please. This brush is perfect for applying highlighter to my cheekbones and face. And what I love most about it is the super fluffy brush head with Sigma's signature Soft Tech fibers. It's designed for use with powder highlighters and it gently sweeps across the high planes of your face to give you that nice radiant glow. If you are a fellow highlighter addict like me, you need this brush in your life. Next, I have the E50 Large Fluff Brush, which is perfect for controlled highlighting. What sets this brush apart is its wide, flat, incredibly soft head. It's both wide and flat at the same time. This unique design allows you to apply highlighting shades to specific areas like the brow bone, cheekbone, or upper cheek area with ease. The result is a soft blended finish that looks amazing. If you want to add a subtle glow to your features without looking too sparkly or overdone, this brush is a must-have. As promised, I'm excited to share my current favorite eye makeup brushes with you, and they are from the brand Thin Lizzy. I got this set of 3 brushes and I'm obsessed with these brushes. I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I love doing my eye makeup and I used these brushes to create my birthday look. I think they're perfect for beginners too. because they're so easy to use. You get a fluffy brush for blending, a flat brush for applying eyeshadow, and a super thin brush for highlighting the inner corner of your eyes or adding a pop of color to your lids. I mean, the possibilities are just endless. I'm obsessed with these brushes and I think you will be too. So versatile and easy to use. Give them a try and let me know what you think. And finally, I have to mention these adorable mini sponges from Forever 52. They're not just cute, they're also super useful for applying concealer and getting into small areas of the face, like the corners of your eyes. I mean, you know, they're not luxury, but they are a total steal. Just $4.49, and I used them to blend my concealer for my birthday look, and the result was amazing. And they're so soft and gentle, and they help you get a flawless finish. So even if you're on a budget, these sponges are a must try. That's it for part 1 of my luxury makeup birthday haul. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for part 2, where I'll be sharing some amazing luxury makeup products that I have been loving and that I got for my birthday this year and that you need to try. I'll link part 2 in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Thanks again for all the love and support. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content. I'll see you in the next one.